Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, when we prepare accounts of NPO, we prepare income and expenditure account. When we close income and expenditure account, there is always possibility of either surplus or deficit. There is chances of question where there is no deficit, no surplus. Definitely, it will raise a confusion among the students that there must have been some mistake because you are not getting any surplus or deficit. In such case, we should assume that there is no surplus and no deficit, and we should continue with the sum as regular as we do in other cases. From the following information supplied to you by Unique Social and Cultural Club, Nagpur, you are required to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2013 and balance sheet as on that date. Here 2012-13 is current year. That means next year is 2013-14 and previous year is 2011-12. Balance sheet as on 1st April, we have capital fund opening. This will be recorded as liability. Building fund, it will be recorded on liability side. There is outstanding salary of previous year 2011-12. This will be paid during current year. On asset side, we have cash in hand, opening balance. This will not be recorded anywhere. Cash at bank, that is opening balance. This will not be recorded anywhere. Land, bank deposits, outstanding subscription. This is pertaining to previous year 2011-12. Let us go through receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2013. Let us start with receipt side. Opening balance of cash 1950. Opening balance of bank 17,550. These two items will not be recorded anywhere in accounts. Subscriptions, total subscriptions received they have given. This will be recorded as income first in income and expenditure account. Donation for building fund. This is special donation for building fund. So it has to be added to item of building fund on liability side. To balance carried down, that is bank overdraft. It's a liability. It will be recorded on liability side of balance sheet. Let us go through the items of payments. Salaries, it will be recorded as expenditure. Printing and stationery will be recorded as expenditure. Purchase of furniture, this is purchase of new asset, furniture. Bank deposits, it's an investment, it will be recorded as asset. General expenses, it will be recorded as expenditure. Charity, it will be recorded as expenditure. By balance carried down, that is closing balance of cash, it will be recorded as asset. Additional information, furniture was purchased on 1st January 2013. That means since then only 3 months are completed. So we are required to take depreciation on furniture at the rate of 15% for 3 months. It will have one effect as expenditure. Other effect, we are required to reduce from the asset furniture. Value of furniture purchased here is rupees 20,000. Continue. Furniture purchased for 20,000. Rate of depreciation 15%. And depreciation is for 3 months, 3 by 12. So it comes to 750. Second adjustment, subscription outstanding for year 2012-13 rupees 8,000. This is current year subscription outstanding. It should be added to income. Second effect, balance sheet asset. Salary outstanding for 12-13 rupees 4,000. This will be added to salary as expenditure. Second effect is liabilities. Traveling expenses 1,250 are outstanding. One effect will be liabilities. Second effect, we are required to show this item on expenditure side as outstanding. Let us start doing postings. From the following information supplied to you by Unique Social and Cultural Club Nagpur, you are required to prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2013 and balance sheet as on that date. Let us start with opening balance sheet, liability side. First item, we have capital fund 7,63,500. This will be recorded in closing balance sheet on liability side as first item, capital fund 7,63,500. Next item, we have building fund 2,50,000. This will be recorded on liability side. Next, we have outstanding salary 12,000. That is of previous year. On liability side, we have recorded outstanding salary of previous year payable rupees 12,000. This will be paid during current year. Opening balance of cash in hand 1,950. Opening balance of cash at bank 17,550. This will not be recorded anywhere here in accounts. Land 7,50,000. This will be recorded on asset side. Next, we have bank deposits 2,50,000. This will be recorded as investment on asset side. Bank deposits we have on asset side 2,50,000. Next, we have outstanding subscription receivable 6,000 for the previous year. This we are recording first on asset side. Outstanding subscription for 2011-12 6,000. This will be received during current year. Let us go through receipts and payment account of current year. On debit side, we have opening cash in hand, cash at bank. This will not be recorded anywhere in accounts now. Two subscriptions, we have received 78,000. This will be recorded as income first in income and expenditure account. So income and expenditure account by subscription 78,000. There are two adjustments on this item. Next, we have donation for building fund 1 lakh. This will be added to building fund on liability side. On liability side, we have added donation 1 lakh to building fund. Now total building fund is 3,50,000. This is special donation received for building. Therefore, it is not treated as income and it is not recorded as income in income and expenditure account. It is added here to that specifically maintained fund called building fund. Here we have to balance carried down closing bank overdraft that is a liability. It will be recorded as liability in balance sheet 15,000. Bank overdraft is recorded on liability side 15,000. Let us go through payments now. First we have salaries paid 58,000. Income and expenditure account, expenditure side, two salaries 58,000. Next we have printing and stationery 4,500. This will be recorded as expenditure. Two printing and stationery 4,500. Purchase of furniture 20,000. New furniture purchase. Purchase of furniture recorded here on asset side. Rupees 20,000. Bank deposit rupees 1 lakh. Already we have item bank deposit on asset side. New deposits will be added. Rupees 1 lakh. So total deposits are now 3,50,000. Next we have general expenses 3,500. This will be recorded as expenditure. To general expenses 3,500. Next we have charity 20,000. This will be recorded as expenditure. To charity 20,000. Next we have buy balance carried down 6,500. That is closing balance of cash. It will be recorded on asset side. Cash in hand 6,500. We have recorded all items in receipts and payment account and opening balance sheet. Let us go through the adjustments. Furniture was bought on 1st January 2013 and it is depreciated at 15% per annum. We have calculated depreciation on furniture 750. It will be recorded as expenditure in income and expenditure account. To depreciation on furniture 750. This will have another effect on asset side of balance sheet. Less depreciation 750. So it will be 19,250. Subscription outstanding for the year 2012-13 was rupees 8,000. This is outstanding for the current year. In opening balance sheet, we have outstanding subscription rupees 6,000 for the previous year. This previous year 6,000 will be deducted from the subscription received during current year. Subscription received 78,000. That is received for the last year 6,000. So now balance is 72,000. Here on asset side we have recorded outstanding subscription of previous year receivable 6,000. It is received now. So it is deducted. Now this item will not reflect in new balance sheet. Subscription outstanding for the current year is rupees 8,000. This will be added here to the subscription. Added 8,000. So total subscription earned during the period is rupees 80,000. Outstanding subscription for the current year recorded on asset side rupees 8,000. Salary outstanding for the current year rupees 4,000. Salary outstanding of previous year rupees 12,000. Now we are required to pay during current year. Total salaries paid 58,000. Paid for last year rupees 12,000. Here on liability side, outstanding salary of 2011-12 amount is 12,000. It is paid during the year. So in new balance sheet this item will not reflect. Salary outstanding for the current year is rupees 4,000. Outstanding for current year 4,000 is added over here. So outer column total salary relating to current year is rupees 50,000. Liability side outstanding salary for 2012-13 rupees 4,000. Traveling expenses 1,250 are outstanding. Two traveling expenses outstanding 1,250. This is recorded as expenditure. Second effect, it will be there on liability side. Outstanding traveling expenses 1,250. We have recorded all items in opening balance sheet and receipts and payment account. Let us close now income and expenditure account and then balance sheet. We have closed income and expenditure account. Surprisingly, total of credit 80,000 is matching with total of debit 80,000. That means total incomes are 80,000 and total expenditure is also 80,000. So there is no surplus, there is no deficit. This can be rare, but it is possible. In balance sheet on liability side, we have capital fund 7,63,500. There are no any adjustments of surplus and deficit. The same amount will be carried as closing balance. We have closed balance sheet. Total of liabilities 11,33,750, which is matching with total of assets 11,33,750. In this question, we have came across situation of no deficit, no surplus in income and expenditure account. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda. Subscribe to our channel Ekeeda